Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelers Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located on Route 1 and just 1 mile from downtown Brunswick, free Wi-Fi is offered in all rooms. Flat-screen satellite TV, a microwave and a refrigerator are found in each wood-furnished room of the Travelers Inn. Air conditioning and an iron are also included. A coin laundry is also available. Bowdoin College is less than 2 miles from the Travelers. The Pickard Theater is 3 minutes away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.